Good morning guys! Today we are at Sierra Valley Gardens here in Cainta, Rizal. And i-interview ko yung mga kasama ko about what's good about this property and why Sierra Valley Gardens is your next best investment. Bakit maganda ang Sierra Valley Gardens? What do you like about this property?
So basically, una sa lahat, maganda ang Sierra Valley Gardens because of the Sierra Valley. So ang maganda sa kanya, its potential na maging estate siya. So it consists of mixed-use development. So besides doon sa residential niya, magkakaroon siya ng offices at mga commercial space. And right now, kagandahan, if you can see, meron na tayong mga commercial strips like yung Conti, Starbucks, tapos may mga Jerry's Grill na din yan.
Yes.
So isa pa yung access niya, yung accessibility niya, yung location. Maganda siya kasi as you can see, along Ortigas lang siya, Ortigas Avenue Extension, and also may mga terminals din tayo papasok. So yung access niya papunta sa Sierra Valley Gardens maganda.
Okay. Pagdating naman sa rentals, Sir James, masasabi mo ba na maganda ito for rent?
Yeah, actually maganda siya kasi good siya talaga for long-term use and yung mga startup na gusto mag-startup families. So maganda rin siya talaga sa sa mga families yun.
Okay. Thank you for your answer, Sir James. Salamat na marami.
Yes, thank you.
Sir Jay, ano masasabi mo about Sierra Valley Gardens? Why is it a good investment?
First is location-wise and smart home ready.
Ano-ano ba yung size ng mga units natin dito?
We have a studio, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom.
Okay. Sir Jay, ano nga pala yung ring rob ulit?
Yung ring rob, para siyang like in a hotel. So easy access. So about dun sa mga laundry and then pag-buy ng water. So you can go to the ring rob and touch it and andun na po yung service niya. Like a hotel, di ba sa hotel may mga ring rob lang tayong pinipress and darating na yung service sa atin.
So very convenient pala, Sir Jay, no? Just with the tip of your finger, pwede ka na umorder ng mga laundry services. It's like an online concierge.
Yeah, so para pag gano'n siya. Yun. So marami yung benefits.
Okay.
Pagtira mo dito sa Sierra Valley Garden, so yung location niya talaga yun yung pinaka-best.
The best is location. Yeah. Would you invest here at Sierra Valley Gardens?
Yes, soon. Sana magkaroon din ako ng unit.
Magkakaroon ka rin ng unit dito. Okay, last question natin for Miss Ana. Miss Ana, kamusta kayo?
Okay naman.
Kamusta ang biyahe nyo from Quezon City?
Going here from Quezon City, mabilis lang yung papunta dito and very accessible ang road.
Okay, Miss Ana, ano nga ulit ang range ng mga units natin dito? How much are the units?
For the units, for the smallest type, we have studio type, nag-range ng 4.6 million. Sa 1 bedroom naman, we have 7.4 million and sa big cuts, we have 2 bedroom, nasa 13 to 14 million.
May mga big cuts tayo. Okay, Miss Ana, since you are an investor yourself, would you recommend RLC Residences, not just the project but also the company itself?
Of course, I can recommend RLC Residences sa lahat ng mga clients na gusto mag-invest. First of all, si RLC, once na nagtayo siya ng mga properties, laging maganda yung location, very accessible, maganda yung mga establishment na nakapaligid dito. And the good thing about RLC is maraming mga clients na nag-trust sa amin, especially yung mga foreigners and mga OFW na nag-work abroad. And si RLC ay naka-receive ng award from Property Guru Philippines, and we also awarded as Best Smart Homes Condominium and Best Developer. Yan.
Thank you for your answer, Miss Ana. So guys, sabi ni Miss Ana, very safe mag-invest with RLC Residences. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Ilalagay namin yung mga contact numbers namin below. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Hi guys! So right now, nandito na kami sa may Sierra Valley Gardens. As you can see, we have multiple establishments, commercial establishments. We have Contis, tapos may Dunkin Donuts tayo, may Starbucks. Saan tayo papasok? Saan tayo papasok?
Lumagpas na tayo.
Iigat ulit ako. Okay lang, sige.
Sige. Yan na natin ito. Pakita na lang